how to get 0.5 on Snapchat on your iPhone or Android. So if you want to get 0.5 on your Snapchat on your iPhone, then it's possible. You will have the option right on your screen. But if you're on your Android, then you need to open up your Snapchat and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you're on your account, if you want to get the 0.5 on Snapchat, then you need to just go with the magnifying icon, which will be on the bottom middle. Tap on the magnifying icon and then again go with the magnifying icon, which will be on the right side, or just pull up your screen. Go with the search icon, and here you need to search for wide angle. Once you search for wide angle, here you will find multiple filters such as 0.5 ultra wide or wide angle or 0.5x. You can just simply go and select any one of these angles or any one of these filters and just take a snap. That's how you can get 0.5 on your Snapchat, on your iPhone, and on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.